Need you for the old me, need you for my sanity, need you to remind me where I come from. Can you?
Hi guys, Delisa right here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to do this little makeup tutorial and tell you my review on the Makiage foundation. So right here you see I'm putting the Makiage foundation on my Wet n Wild foundation brush, and they sent me the shade 105. And here I'm mixing it with my Fit Me foundation because it's too light, and in Fit Me I'm in the color Warm Honey. I didn't really like the foundation, so there I am taking the Too Faced primer and I'm putting it on mostly my nose and like my T-zone because I always get really dry there, and I'm putting it under my eyes because a lot of times I have dark circles there, so I would like to prime it and I get creases. So here I'm just taking the foundation mix and putting it all over my face. I didn't care for the Makiage foundation. To me, the coverage wasn't thick enough, and I don't know, I just kind of felt like they sent me the wrong shade. I was going to do a video of me showing me putting only the Makiage on my face, but it was extremely light, so I decided not to do that. And so I did get it on the little free trial, but I am going to return it just because to me it's overly priced for 40 bucks, and I like my Fit Me foundation better, to be honest. And if anything, I'll probably go back to using my Too Faced Born This Way, which is my favorite brand, but El Makiage is not for me. I felt like it was like a bust in my opinion, and I would not suggest that you guys go out and purchase it. As you can see, I did a bunch of other things while I was recording this voiceover. This video. So here I'm still applying the foundation. Also, the El Makiage foundation was matte, and I don't really care for matte foundations because I have dry skin and I don't feel like they blend into my face well. So I prefer dewy looks. Here I'm taking the Ulta brand Dewy Setting Spray and I'm just spraying it all over my face. I hate how it sticks on my lashes, and then I did my lashes and my brows off camera. For my lashes, it was just some strip lashes. There I'm taking my Born This Way concealer and placing it under my eyes and also on my nose. And in that I am in the color Warm Sand. And here I'm going back in with that same foundation brush and I'm going to blend it out. I don't use a beauty blender for this just because I feel like the brush creates a smoother look. So that's what I'm doing here. And for my brows, I use the MAC eyebrow pencil in the color dark brown. And also I clean them up with concealer. Here I'm going in with my e.l.f. palette, and I'm going to take the highlight section and I'm going to highlight under my eyes. And I'm also going to highlight basically my T-zone, my nose, cupid's bow, chin, all that. I got this e.l.f. palette for around $10 at Target to do my highlight and contour. I previously used the Ulta brand, but I didn't really care for it. Not sure what was super funny to me right there, but something was. So I'm still doing my highlight. For the concealer I use, it retails for about $30 at Ulta, or you can order it from the Born This Way website. The Fit Me foundation retails for about $5 at Target, and the El Makiage, as you know, retails for about $40 if you decide to keep the full size trial. Now I'm taking my Too Faced translucent setting powder with a little mini beauty blender I got at Target, and I'm just gonna set all the places that I put the highlight. I love this setting powder. It creates like a really flawless finish to me. So this that size was like a mini jar, but it was about, I want to say $20, and I picked that up at JCPenney's. But you can also get it at Ulta or on the Too Faced website. And so while that's setting on my face, now I'm going back in with the e.l.f. palette and I'm going to contour my cheekbones. I didn't decide to contour my nose just because, I don't know. I like my nose, so I don't really want to change it. And this is a powder contour, not a cream contour, which personally is my preference. There I'm going in with my Fit Me powder in the color medium, and I'm just placing this in all the places where I put my foundation, just to basically set it in place. And this retails for about maybe $7 or $8 at Target. I don't know. I love Fit Me products, kind of, as you guys can see. And no matter how much something costs, I feel like if something's good, you know, just leave it. So now I'm going back in and blending out the contour. And I'm taking my Wet n Wild powder brush and I'm dusting off the translucence powder that we already set in place. So now that I have all the powder on, I'm about to set my face with this coconut rose water from Pure Essence, just to make it not be dry since I put powder on it. And I got that from Marshall's and it retails for about $10, but you can find rose water almost anywhere. I just prefer this kind. It's my favorite brand. Now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild blush in the color Keep It Peachy. And I'm going to put a little blush on my cheeks with this powder brush that I got from Ulta, and I don't remember the brand. Now I'm going in with my highlighter, which I use the MAC Gold Deposit. And I'm taking my fan brush that I got from Ulta, and we're going to apply that all to my T-zone as well as my cheeks. MAC Gold Deposit you can get anywhere that MAC is sold, and that retails for about $30 to $40. Now I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetic palette, eyeshadow palette. I don't really like dramatic eyeshadow looks, so here I'm just going in with the BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm putting a kind of a dark brown or brown / orange kind of color in my crease. And I'm showing you there the name of the color. I got this palette. The palette came with the brushes, and I got this set at Kohl's for I think like $30. Now I'm going in with the blending brush for my eyes, and I'm taking another like orange kind of color that will blend in better with the brown to highlight my eyes. I hate strip lashes, guys. Those lashes are just some 3D minks that came from Amazon that are shorter because I don't like really dramatic lashes. Here I'm going in with a NYX lip pencil. It's like a hot pinkish kind of color. I don't remember the exact name of the shade. And I'm basically going to line my lips with that. Now I'm going back in with my finger and I'm going to smooth out that liner just because I don't want a harsh line left on my lips. Now I'm going to just go in with some clear gloss from e.l.f. that I got at Target, and that also retails for about $5. And I'm just going to put the clear gloss on top of the lip pencil color that we already used. Forgot I didn't line my eyes, so now I'm just going in with a black NYX eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to line the bottom of my eyes just to help my eyes pop more because I do have really small eyes, which is another reason why I don't wear drastic looks. So here I'm just showing you guys the final finish and fixing my hair.